In 2011, a 19-year-old barista named James stumbled onto a YouTube video about investing. He didn't have much, just tips from lattes, barely enough to cover rent. But he made a choice that would change his life. Every month he put away $100. Not much, just enough to miss a few takeout meals or skip a new pair of sneakers. But he stayed consistent. Fast forward a decade, and James, he's not rich in a flashy Instagram way. But he owns his apartment, works because he wants to, not because he has to. And his portfolio, worth over $120,000. No lottery win, no crypto moonshot, just one decision made over and over again. Now imagine what your story could look like if today was your first step. Because this video isn't just about stocks, it's about understanding the one thing school never taught you: how to make your money work for you. And today we're diving into the real guide to making millions from stocks, even if you're starting from zero. Let's start with a truth bomb. Most people never get rich, not because they're lazy, not because they're not smart enough, but because they were never taught how money works. We go through years of school learning algebra and Shakespeare, but no one ever teaches us how to invest. No one says, hey, if you just put $100 into this index fund every month for 30 years, you could retire a millionaire. It's almost like the system was designed that way. Okay, let's demystify it. The stock market isn't some shady casino or a game for the rich. At its core, it's just a place where people buy and sell pieces of companies. You buy a share of Apple, you now own a tiny part of Apple. If Apple does well, your share becomes more valuable. If it pays dividends, you get a slice of that too. But here's the kicker. Over the last 100 years, the stock market has averaged around 7 to 10% returns per year after inflation. That means if you invest $1,000 today and just let it sit, it could grow to over $20,000 in 40 years. If you consistently invest, we're talking hundreds of thousands, even millions. So how do people actually get rich from stocks? Let me introduce you to two words that changed everything. Compound interest. It's not sexy. It doesn't trend on TikTok. But Einstein once called it the eighth wonder of the world. Here's how it works. Imagine you invest $200 a month every month, starting at age 22. By the time you're 60, with average returns, you could have over $600,000. Invest a bit more, say $500 a month, and you're looking at well over $1.5 million. And you didn't win the lottery. You didn't build an app. You just stayed consistent. Now you're probably thinking, what if I lose all my money in a crash? Totally fair. But here's what most beginners don't realize. Markets crash, but they also recover. Look at every major recession, from the Great Depression to 2008 to 2020. Each time, the market came back stronger. In fact, the people who invested during crashes often made the most money. The trick? Don't panic. Don't sell everything. Just zoom out and play the long game. All right, let's get practical. You're ready to start. Here's what to do, step by step. Set up a brokerage account. Think of it like your online gateway to the stock market. Apps like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, or Vanguard work well, depending on your country. Start with index funds. These are like baskets of the top companies. Think the S&P 500. You're not betting on one stock. You're betting on the entire economy. Automate your investing. Set up a monthly transfer so you invest without thinking. It removes emotion from the equation. Think long-term. Don't check your portfolio every day. The goal is years or even decades. This isn't about timing the market. It's about time in the market. Here's the part most YouTubers skip. Your mindset will make or break you. When your stocks are down 20%, will you freak out and sell everything? Or will you see it as a discount and buy more? Millionaire investors, they're calm, patient, unemotional. They know that true wealth doesn't come from hype or FOMO. It comes from discipline. You might be thinking, I'll start next year, when I earn more, when things settle down. But the truth is, there will never be a perfect time. The best investors didn't wait for the right moment. They created it. Even investing $50 a month now is better than waiting until you have $500 later. Because money isn't the only thing compounding, time is too. Look, investing won't make you rich overnight, but it will change the direction of your life. From surviving paycheck to paycheck, to waking up one day and realizing you own assets, you own your future, and no one, not your boss, not the government, can take that away from you. So if this helped you, if you're ready to break the cycle and start building real wealth, hit that subscribe button to join the Crypto 360 family. We're here to help you invest smarter, grow faster, and take control of your financial story, one video at a time. I'm glad you're here, and your journey, it starts right now.